Welcome to TubeCore. Casual videos but hardcore knowledge. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, press that bell notification. Let's start the video.
ACX ACY Securities Review. Namaste friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. In this video we'll talk about this forex broker. Their website says ACY.com, but here it says ACX Securities. So I guess they operate with both the names. So on the internet, if you type in ACY Securities or ACX Securities Review, you are supposed to be working with the same company. However, make sure that you land on the website which is ACY.com. Okay. There might be some similar websites, so make sure you don't go on those websites. The website is ACY.com, and here it says ACX Securities and 14 years. Even though if I come and check the information, this ACY.com is registered with GoDaddy.com, and it was registered back in 1998, but they're claiming that they're in business since 14 years, okay? Now, before we start this review, let me give you some pro tips or disclaimers, because when we do reviews about forex broker, anybody does the review, it's not possible for everybody to go and try all those broker themselves. So I have not used ACX broker personally, but I have used a couple of brokers personally myself. So if you want to check them out, you will find the link below the video. It says broker number 1, broker number 2. These two brokers I personally use, and I never had any problem with the withdrawals. So, this is a pro tip. Whenever you are looking for any broker, make sure you get your money back, okay? So I have been using these brokers for like more than 2 years, never had a problem with the withdrawals. And one more disclaimer here, these two brokers are for non-US and non-Canadian citizens, okay? I have one broker which I might leave the link for US clients. Okay, so yeah, if I remember, I will write down one more broker in the description here. That will be for non-US clients. That will be for US clients, and these two are for non-US clients. Okay, and if you have any questions, in the end, you can also email me or you can contact me on Skype if you want to know more about any broker which I use personally. Okay. But anyways, coming back to the securities here, so same thing, you can come to ACY.com, check their features and everything. I will quickly go to their accounts here. So these are 3 types of account they have. Standard, Pro, Zero, Bespoke. Just check the commission here, $3 per lot per side, 2.5 lot per side, but the minimum deposit here is 10,000. Obviously, nobody will go for this, okay? So normally, oh my God, what is this saying? The leverage is 1:5,000 via Logix Trader. Okay, so we're not gonna use Logix. I mean, I don't think anybody uses Logix Trader. I never heard of it, but maybe somebody do. I don't know. Okay, everybody use MT4, MT5. Okay, so you will be, I guess, going with 1:500 leverage and via MT5. If you have any questions, you can chat with them first. Okay, but which account should you choose? Will be this Pro Zero. Okay. So Pro Zero minimum deposit is $200, right? Now again, you do not have to use it if you don't want to. If you want to use those brokers which I use, which I already have told you that they have paid me the money on time every time, there's no problem with that. You can check out the links below my video. These two brokers are for like UK clients, Europe clients, Australian, Asian, wherever you are except US and Canada. I will also leave a link for non-US clients, okay? Anyways. And in case you are looking for a way to get started with forex trading and you want to do it on autopilot, then you may click on the first link below my video. It says make money on autopilot with forex trading. That will bring you to this page. Here you can see all these proofs and the number of trades which we post on weekly basis. Here you can see there are n number of never-ending proofs, screenshots. So click on the first link below the YouTube video, come on this page and check out how you can do what I do without learning Forex on autopilot by using a software. More details in the end when you visit this link, okay? Now moving on, so you can check out this website and everything in your free time, what they give you. So for example, trading account types already shown you, spreads, Forex, you know what that means, platforms, MT4, MT5. Partners, you don't need to know, okay? What you need to do, what you need to look for in a broker before you go any further, because for example, if you are watching this video on YouTube, you are doing your research and you are trying to check for the reviews for this broker, okay? Second thing you need to do is check the reviews for the same broker on Trustpilot. Any company you are searching for, it's, ACY Securities or some other broker, type in their name here and then their reviews will pop up. Don't care about the green reviews. Always go and check the 1-star reviews, which we are going to do, okay? So click on 1-star here. And then let's see, 2 days ago, somebody from CA, I don't know, is it Cameroon or Canada? I don't know, okay? So it says, honestly, you have to stay away from them while you can, unless you want more harm done to yourself. I'm speaking from experience and it's awful, so I will not recommend them to anyone, but I can boldly recommend CRM$X. That's why I think this is a fake review. I could be right, I could be wrong, okay, I'm not sure. But because he is just coming here and bashing one company and at the same time promoting other companies, so this could be a fake review. Let's see what the reply from the customer service. We value blah, blah, blah. Our team is conducting blah and blah and blah and blah. Okay, so I don't know if they are right or wrong, but they are recommending some other company and at the same time they're downgrading this company. So let me give you a pro tip right now. Whenever you come across Trustpilot reviews, you will not find any broker, okay, in forex trading. You will not find any broker which will not have 1 star, okay? So for me, if the broker has 1 star, bad ratings, but unless you do not find a review in which 1 star was given because somebody actually lost the money, till then, I don't care about 1 star. Let me say this again. This 1 star, this customer did not tell the exact reason why is he giving 1 star. He's just saying you stay away from him, blah, 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 okay? He's saying I'm speaking from experience, but what is that experience? Does that experience involve losing money? Or does that experience involve getting your account shut down? What is that experience? He is supposed to elaborate, okay? So for me, unless I don't see multiple people losing money to that broker and giving 1 star, till then, these 1 stars means nothing to me, because what I look for in a broker is only if they will pay me the money on time if I withdraw. That's all I need, okay? Second review, let's see what we have here. You can always come to Trustpilot and check these reviews in your own time. Second reviews from Russia. So ACY.com charged wrongful swaps retroactively. It took my money, $4,100. Sent me an email that swaps on the VIX instrument should be very tight, blah, blah, blah. VIX, I don't know what is VIX instrument. I only do forex trading, so I have no idea what VIX instruments are. ACY justification was the definition, swaps, blah, blah, blah. I want return my money, blah, blah, blah. I wrote a claim support. Let's see what is their response. Same response, copy and paste. Okay, so this looks like a real review. I cannot prove it. So yeah, you have to make a decision on at your end. And then we have this third review, which is Saldia Limited. And this also looks like a fake review to me, okay? So you can see here they're advertising a different company, Saldia Limited. Can.com help me? This is a fake review, okay? This is a fake review because they are advertising somebody else's website. So the reply is the same. Okay, so this company, ACY Securities, is giving the same copy-paste reply, which I don't like, okay? So the Gaby Ray from EG, all I can say is a scam company. Again, they have not elaborated what problem they had. This guy or woman, I don't know, Gaby, maybe woman, from EG. EG could be what? It's not England, it's maybe, I don't know which EG country is, okay? So it looks like a fake review to me as well, because they are just saying scam and goodbye. I mean, you got to tell what happened. Did you log in? Did you trade? Your account was shut down. Your account was not verified. You had problems with the deposit. You had problems with the withdrawals. What's the problem? They did not mention just 1 star. So I will not consider this review as a genuine, okay? Mohammad Hassan from Pakistan, okay. I don't want to even read this review for Pakistan. Rest of your smart. So it's a bad company, all right? Now, go and spend your time on Trustpilot reading these reviews. Remember one thing, as I told you before, until and unless you do not see somebody clearly telling you that they lost the money to this company or their withdrawal was not processed, if you find problems, with people that they are losing their money by after reading these reviews, okay, let's see this one. So this one says trader, January 13, 2020, it's like 1 year or maybe 1.5 years ago. So you can't withdraw your money. I get the same email, some email with other forex, Insta forex. I make my first withdrawal, then I get this email, you withdraw, blah, blah, blah. In order to come to the quiz, please send us your whole passport, blah, blah, blah. Okay. So what's the problem? If you are being asked to send your selfie with your passport holding, so after that, what? You're supposed to tell the whole story that after you sent them the selfie with the passport, then did you get your withdrawal or not? You're only telling the hard story. So this 1 star comes here because this person is not happy that they asked him to send the selfie with the passport. That's why he gave or she gave 1 star, okay? But who will complete the story that whether did you get the money after sending them the selfie or not? Who will tell that? So again, I will not consider this review when I will try to find a broker, okay? Anyway, so you go and spend your own time. I don't have to go and do this Trustpilot in the whole video. But yes, as I said, pro tip, no broker in the market will only have green or 4 or 5 star reviews. Every forex broker will always have 1 star reviews. The only thing you need to decide is there are there multiple reviews talking about that somebody genuinely lost the money to that broker? If there are no reviews justifying that, yes, people lost the money to that broker, you can go and try. And most of these brokers do not serve US clients, Canadian clients anyway, okay? Because for US clients, I would try to leave a link below this video. You can check it out, okay? If you have any questions, you can always get back to me on my email or Skype, okay? And again, if you want to find out how to make money on autopilot, click on the first link and come to this page and check everything out. And I guess that will be all. I would say this is a regulated company. One more thing I have to cover. So the ACY Securities is licensed and regulated by ASIC, which is ASIC Australian Authority. And a lot of companies are regulated in 2 countries. I have seen a lot of brokers, such as this broker, other brokers, they are going to be regulated in Australia. And then in St. Vincent or Seychelles or these island countries, okay? So yeah, this is the only regulation you will find. And I guess these regulations are much better than going with a broker with no regulation, okay? So again, do your due diligence because you came here watching this review so far. So you can go and subscribe and like this channel as well and spread the word. And as I said, I did not use this broker personally. I use these 2 brokers personally. If you're from UK or if you're from non-US, non-Canadian countries, then you can go and check out these 2 brokers. Or if you're from US, I'll leave 1 link below. And I guess, yeah, that's all. So go and, if you have any questions, you can email me or Skype me. Skype is better, okay? So go and try ACX Securities if you want to, or else you can go and try these brokers. And if you want to learn how to do it, check out the first link and have a happy journey in trading.